Online English for Me, an official Cambridge exam preparation centre. European countries and capitals A to F. Let's go. Albania. Capital city is Tirana. Andorra. Capital city is Andorra la Vella. Armenia. Capital city is Yerevan. Austria. Capital city is Vienna. Azerbaijan. Capital city is Baku. Belarus. Capital city is Minsk. Remember to subscribe. Belgium. Capital city is Brussels. Bosnia and Herzegovina. Capital city is Sarajevo. Bulgaria. Capital city is Sofia. Croatia. Capital city is Zagreb. Cyprus. Capital city is Nicosia. Czech Republic. Capital city is Prague. Denmark. Capital city is Copenhagen. England. Capital city is London. Estonia. Capital city is Tallinn. Finland. Capital city is Helsinki. France. Capital city is Paris. That's the end. If you'd like to join our classes, visit www.onlineenglishforme.com. Don't forget to subscribe to Online English for Me.